Good morning, students of class 10th. We were discussing about the conservation steps which were taken by the government, and we have already discussed about the role of the government in the previous video. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the role of the communities, right? जो गवर्नमेंट का काम था गवर्नमेंट ने करा जैसे भी करा बट टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द रोल ऑफ द कम्युनिटीज कि कुछ कम्युनिटीज ने अपने आप आगे आकर फॉरेस्ट कंजर्वेशन के लिए स्टेप्स उठाए ताकि डिफॉरेस्टेशन कम हो राइट सो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट दिस द रोल्स ऑफ कम्युनिटी रोल ऑफ community right that what was the role of community in conservation of the forests right in conservation देखिए many social movements have taken place to save forests. One such famous movement was the Chipko movement, right? Chipko movement, I hope you must have heard about it in the previous classes also. And today also we are going to discuss about the Chipko movement. It is one of the most famous movement ever happened in the history, and that was for saving of the trees, right? Many communities have declared some tree species as holy and worship them, like people, banyan, mahua, kadamba, tamarind and mango trees are example of such trees. कुछ trees हैं जो लोग बहुत ज़्यादा sacred मानते हैं, उनकी पूजा भी करी जाती है, जैसे people, banyan, mahua, kadamba, tamarind, mango, right? The Beach Bachao Andolan means save the seed movement in Tehri region of Uttarakhand is a crusade to conserve traditional seeds and promote agricultural biodiversity. राइट चिपको आंदोलन के बारे में थोड़ा मूवमेंट के बारे में थोड़ा पहले समझ ले रहे चिपको मूवमेंट में क्या हुआ था दैट द पीपल यूज टू hug the trees right they used to hug the trees and stay attached to them so that if a person wants to cut it he may not be able to cut it right like this is the tree so a person will come and hug it right or he will just stick to the tree if he is not hugging it he will just stick to the tree and they will do it as a protest to save the trees they will not allow the people to cut it right that was chipko movement and it was started by Sundar Lal Bahuguna. This person is very important, Mr. Sundar Lal Bahuguna. He was the person who started the Chipko movement, Sundar Lal Bahuguna, and due to this protest only, due to this movement only, many trees were spared from cutting. Right. The next movement which we are going to talk about is Beej Bachao Andolan. It is also a movement which if we translate it in English it will be seeds movement, save the seeds movement, right? Now let us discuss what happened in this movement, save the seeds. The Beej Bachao Andolan, save the seeds in Tehri region of Uttarakhand is a crusade to conserve traditional seeds and promote agricultural biodiversity. sustainable agriculture, and local traditions. Right? It is a movement which is basically done to conserve the people's heritage, people's culture. Right? In this, they just use the seeds for the purpose of sustainable development, agriculture, biodiversity, and local traditions. This movement was an awareness campaign started in 1989 for the farmers to curb the cultivation of cash crops like pea, potatoes, and soya bean, and promote indigenous practices like bara anaj, which means 12 grains, right? Which is a traditional system of mixed farming and intercropping of 12 species of crops. What happened? The people of Terry region, they started promoting their own grains, right? Earlier in the Terry regions, basically 12 grains were grown, right? Which was 12 grains were grown, and it was called in short by them the Bara Anaj. Bara, you means that you know that Bara in Hindi means 12, right? Bara Anaj. What happened that they discouraged the cultivation of cash crops like peas, potatoes and soyabeans, right? Peas का, potatoes का, soyabeans का उन्होंने cultivation demotivate करा, discourage करा, and they started promoting the 12 crops, the 12 grains that were being used there, and that is why the heritage, the conservation of the community was possible. And Navdanya means 9 seeds is another community movement started for the protection of biological and cultural diversity. The other one is Nav means 9, Danya means seeds, right? It is 9 seeds. Is another community movement started for the protection of biological and cultural diversity. The gift or dan of 9 seeds is considered as a gift of life, heritage and continuity. Conserving seeds is synonymous with conserving biodiversity, because if you are saving the seeds of these crops, then it means that you are saving the biodiversity of the area. Knowledge of seeds and their utilization. Conservation of wildlife has also been contribution from community efforts. Has also seen contribution from community efforts. People living on the outskirts of sanctuaries have taken up self policing against poaching activities. Like if there are people living around the wildlife sanctuaries, right? Wildlife sanctuary एक example देता हूँ मैं आपको. There is a national park, the Jim Corbett National Park. You must have heard about it. Its earlier name is Haley's National Park. Now, it is famous for its tigers. And many a times there have been news that tigers are being killed there for their skin or for other purpose. So, what the people who are normal civilians but are living near the wildlife sanctuaries, they stopped the hunters, right? They stopped the hunters and stopped them from trespassing into the national park so that they can do hunting. And even many of the times they even called the police or other concerned security, other concerned authorities, so that the hunting can be stopped. Okay, so this was an example that how conservation of wildlife is done. In Alwar region, people have set up a self-declared sanctuary spread over 3,000 acres of forest land, calling it Bhairdov Dakav Sanctuary. Right. In Alwar region, people have set it up, and they have set it up by their own declaration. Means that is not set up by the government, but they have declared it by themselves. It is a self-declared sanctuary, and its name is Bhairodev Dakav Sanctuary, right? It is Bhairodev Dakav Sanctuary. It is the name of the sanctuary. Now, what they do, the people, they have laid down rules for conserving wildlife in this region. Similarly, there are certain animals which are protected by the people, claiming them sacred. Communities like the Bishnoi in Rajasthan have declared some varieties of deer like Chinkara and Nilgai as scared as sacred and do not permit poaching of these animals, right? Like in Rajasthan there is a community known as the Bishnoi community. What they have done, they have declared deer or chinkara, right? A deer, there is a black buck, it is very famous because of some case in news, but the chinkara is famous and it is a sacred animal for the Bishnoi community and the Nilgai also, right? They have declared it sacred for them, and that is why they do not promote its poaching, right? So Bishnoi communities also there which have stopped the poaching of chinkara, black bug. It is black buck and nilgai. Nilgai you must have heard. Okay, so this is the steps taken by the community so that the conservation of the wildlife or the forests can be done in the area. Okay, so students, I hope you must have understood what was the role of the community. In the next video, we are going to discuss about the classification of forest, that how the forests are classified. Okay, so till then, stay at your homes and stay safe. Thank you.